started this thing this year. The first product we have here is actually the chicken. After the chicken, the ducks. After the ducks, the goats and the lambs. Then after that, Birdie wanted to have more challenging products. So he was thinking of the grapes when he went to Ukraine. So when he was right back, he is bringing actually some seedlings already. Then we started planting. So with the grapes of the the mother of Roa Duterte, Roa Duterte, Astrid tayo.
Nanay Suling.
Very sour and nice again. We took some of her seedlings, we buy from them, and we planted, but it is very, very sour. So we changed. So when he toured in Europe, again, he was bringing new. He toured in Canada, another new varieties. Australia, Thailand, then US. Okay. So we have 62 altogether. So the varieties here, some of which are already 7 years. About 8 years, then 7 years, 6 years. So he wanted to propagate the Davao delicious and the Moldova because he wanted to create a winery, which is already ongoing today. Palami, we try to make it more better than the others. So later on, we can finalize the bottles already. Then the name will be finalized. So we will be on productivity of the wine. So we are not selling fruits, but we are making wine instead. So Birdie was actually schooling at California University online for the wine making. So he graduated. Actually, his grade is very, very high because when he met with his professor in Manila, so he was rated to be very, very good. You know, lawyers are very good also in answering questions. Then Birdie is really very good. He's very intelligent. So now he wanted to have a massive plantation. So we have 9 hectares in Itaw-Taw. Then fruiting already today. And I think the fruit there is better because it is older in the area. And it's crunchy. Ours here is not that good. But there it is crunchy because of the weather. So it will another. Now, sa pag-get information ako.
Ito.
We have dragon fruit, we have 3 classes and then 3 varieties. We have yellow, the red or violet. Then the pink is one for salad. But the best for us here is actually the violet. We can really eat it. Only today supposedly is the fruiting time. But Birdie keeps on grafting it because his brother is selling for planting. So our food there is very good. Okay, so wine tasting, kaya mo mong highlight. We had not prepared the pika-pika here. It's because the wine is not here. Then everything is emergency. Supposedly I have a meeting with the Iraqi missionary for Muslim evangelization. But because of this request, because he has also seminar, so I was forced to face you. Anyway, Wednesday we will be meeting in Indonesia. When I will be coming there. So, mag-wine tasting pa, katong 5S na inyo na makapano sa lahat.
Siri. Oh, Siri. Asa to? 5S sa Japanese na.
You are going to see it, you are going to smell it.
See, smell.
You are going to swirl.
Swirl.
Shake. Then after that,
Shake.
you are going to sip.
Asip.
You are going to sip and savor it by drinking. Okay. So, what we are going to have Actually, this is so because they have the Strawberry Hills resort at Taglupo. Then they are also planting strawberries. So for it to be more attractive, so they make also this one for it to become unique. So we are going to start with this. Okay? So this is the
Please, get one and start.